When you get ready to present to the business owner, it's important that you demonstrate how your solution can help them manage cash, control expenses, resolve customer issues, and identify trends. There are some key areas in this demonstration that includes Power BI, the immediate access to both Business Central and all the other Microsoft Cloud applications. Good luck in that demo.
In this demonstration, we'll show you the day in the life of the owner of a business using Dynamics 365 Business Central. To do that, we will walk through how you review the health of a business, how you identify trends and opportunities and not miss any. We'll review customer history and then manage the business. So the first step is to review the health of the business. And clearly one of the challenges of any business owner is to make sure they have a clear understanding of the entire health of the business. And too often business owners don't have a clear understanding of how they're doing with sales or inventory levels, inventory valuations, project overruns, and even margins. So to begin with, I'm in the role-tailored homepage as the business manager role, which would be typical for most business owners. And you can see immediately the wealth of information, the key metrics, sales this month, overdue sales amount, the overdue purchase amount, any additional information I need here, my incoming documents, outstanding invoices, and I can scroll down to see my cash flow, my favorite accounts if I needed a quick link into those, as well as a embedded Power BI report. So here I can see a quick glance of the key indicators that are important to us, these key performance indicators, or known as KPIs. And I can hover over March and even see, what my gross margin is or my operating margin percentage is. I'll scroll up and then take advantage of a new capability around Intelligent Cloud Insights. This page will show us 4 key areas of interest for most businesses. That's going to be cash availability, profitability, net income, and obviously if I'm running inventory, the value of that inventory. So I'll open up that Cloud Insights, and here you see those 4 key areas. And immediately, what's important to me as a business owner is cash. So I'll open up cash available, and it launches me directly in to my chart of accounts, into a review to see what those charts are, as well as what my balance is for cash. I'll close out. And over on the right-hand side, I get some additional insights about my business, starting with that I've got 10 customers who are already late with their payments to me. So I can click on that and see who those customers are. I can see the customer number. I can see the amount, as well as how long ago do they owe us this money. Again, key information, and as the business owner, we all know, I might have to put my collections hat on and call that customer. The next step was to uncover trends and opportunities. And so from here, as you think about it, we use Power BI in our organization extensively. We have a number of different reports and charts and information that's essential to our business today. And with the integrated story or the integrated experience of Dynamics 365 into our other Microsoft Cloud apps, I just navigate up to the left here in the app switcher. I select on all apps to see the apps that I need to get to, including Power BI. And with this refreshed Power BI homepage, I have a lot of my recent reports and dashboards. I'll open up this customer dashboard. I can see my customer sales numbers. And again, all the detail that's relevant to me, what's my open opportunities, calculated current value. And I could drill into this pie chart and see the details around what are the opportunities that are currently in progress, and to see where I can help out and how I can make an impact across the organization. I tend to shortcut to my recents, and again, I see all of the charts, the data sets, the embedded Excel charts that are also part of my experience, but I'm going to focus on the quick insights. And this is a component of Power BI that provides us additional detail that we just don't have in managing our business and just staring at financial statements and looking at reports. We lean on this insights capability to provide additional context of what's happening behind the scenes. And so, for example, these cards provide us with category outliers. I might not see this normally in an Excel spreadsheet or any other information. I might want to see some other trends happening, or again, category outliers. I see Peter Sadow has a lot more opportunities completed than some of the other sales representatives. So again, rich information that's relative to what I'm trying to accomplish. I click on favorites. And in this case here, the finance is the most favorite report for me. I use it every day. I'll open up finance, and again, I can see the graphical nature, the visualization of this is incredible. But I'm getting ready for a big board meeting in front of our stakeholders as well as our senior leadership team. And so to prepare for that, what I can do is under the File menu is I can take this and export it into PowerPoint. And so now I didn't have to do a lot of data manipulation and prep. I click on the slideshow mode. Now I'm in front of my audience and I'm able to show them all the details that I want to around our business, and I continue to advance the slide. And then I get a question from somebody in the audience that says, could we drill into that? And it happens. So of course, I'm confident, and I'm also connected to the internet, that my Power BI integration with PowerPoint enables me to click into that number, and I get a detailed view of that total revenue now by year. And based on the year that I've highlighted, I can drill down into further detail based on that quarter. So again, it's information I need to perform my job without having to log in and log out or toggle much between multiple applications. Now, customer history, I have to often be involved again with some of the collections, and as I get back into the application from Power BI, all I need to do is switch to Business Central. And what I like about Business Central here is that I can link directly into the last couple of areas that I was in the application. So if I, for example, open up customers, I get a list of my customers. Trey Research is the one I was asked to do some research on. I'll do the report, and I'll just open up a customer statement, and now I can see some of the details behind the progress that we have with this customer in Word. I'll close that out. And then the last step was, we understand the importance of how I manage the business, and that is obviously around the financial reporting. So I can open up my Excel reports. Again, these are all directly tied to Excel. They're refreshable. So as activities and events are happening in Business Central or changing, that's reflected here in my aged accounts receivable report, and it's in a format that I'm comfortable with, and that's in Microsoft Excel. I can close that out. Now, I could have reports directly here on the home page for me. I can search those reports. In this case here, I'm looking for that customer balance report, and I hit customer trial balance. And now I can see kind of a cross-section of all my customers. I can save this. I can schedule this report to appear directly on my home page in the report inbox as well. I'll close that out. And so that demonstration and that scenario was important to show you how the day in the life of a business owner uses Dynamics 365 Business Central. The benefits clearly around making better decisions, spending less time logging in and out of applications, but using the tools and software and the resources to identify trends in the business, and again, spend less time searching, more time dedicated to analysis and running the business.